Hi, for today's lesson, you need work map 2-5, you need a pencil, and you need some math counters. It's best if you have two different types of math counters. I'm going to use beans and buttons. You can use whatever little objects you have or whatever math counters, but it's best if you have two different colors or two different types of counters because we are working on comparing groups. We're going to compare numbers through 5 to see which is the greatest and which is the least. So let's start. I am going to use my beans on the top, and I'm going to put a bean in each of these circles. I would like you to pick a counter, and you're going to put a counter in each of these circles as we count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Then on the bottom, I'm going to use a different counter if you have a different kind of counter, and we're going to put 2 on the bottom. 1, 2. Now you can see that the group on top is greater because this bean doesn't have a partner. Now we're going to record our answers. So let's trace a circle where every bean was. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you do that on your paper? And then we'll trace the number 3 up here. 3, we had 3 on the top. And then we'll trace our counters on the bottom, or draw a circle for each one. 1, 2. And I'll trace a 2 on the bottom for the 2 counters on the bottom. And now I'm drawing lines to compare. These were partners and these were partners, but he didn't have a partner. So which number is the greatest? 3 is the greatest or the most. So we're going to circle the greatest number. All right, let's try it again over here on this side. So on the top, we're going to put counters in the circles and count. So you get your counters ready and count with me while we put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 on the top. On the bottom, we are going to put 5. So let's count together as we place our counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you tell which group has the most? If you said buttons, you are correct. There we have the most buttons. All right, now let's record our numbers, and we'll circle the greatest number. So let's start with the beans. 1, we're drawing. 2, 3, 4, and we'll write a 4 on the top. And we'll record the buttons. We have 5. 1, 2, I'm drawing a circle and taking a button off every time. 3, 4, 5. And I will record the number 5. A hat, a neck, and a big fat tummy. All right, and now I am going to partner my counters up. He had a partner, partner, and this one didn't. So I can tell that 5 is the greater number because it has one more. So I'm going to circle 5. 5 is more than 4. Awesome. All right, let's turn our paper over. So on this page here, they are showing us 1, 2, 3 butterflies, and we need to trace the number 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ducks, and you'll need to trace the number 5. And then you're going to draw lines to partner them up and think which group has more. Are there more butterflies or ducks? You're right, there's more ducks. So you will circle 5 to show that that is the greatest number. And then this side you're going to do by yourself. You're going to count how many bees and write the number, how many hummingbirds and write the number, and then you'll draw lines to partner them up and circle the greatest number. Same with the butterflies and the ladybugs. All right, have fun learning.